Catherine Bernardo, ayan, mapahinay na ako. Si Catherine Bernardo, iba-iba ang boat, di nga sinisita eh. Uy, pala, oh. Ikaw nagtao, uy. Pista pala doon.
Summer Fest. This is a Summer Fest, guys, in Holy Family Church in Newark. Okay. There's a lot of people here, guys. There's no parking spot. You need to pay to park.
It's a big amusement.
Hinahinay lang dahil.
May tao sa likod kay.
Hinahinay lang dahil.
Hinahinay na gani. 10 miles an hour.
Hinahinay lang.